Marketing your business can often feel like a chore and a waste of time if you're not seeing any return on investment. A huge part of your marketing success is determined by where and how you market. And that's why networking connections are a key strategy to your success. Hi, I'm Marie Wattier, Transparent Marketing Specialist with Momentum Virtual. And in this video, I'm going to share why LinkedIn is such a powerful tool to help you establish brand authority and connect with the right people at the right time to form lasting, game-changer networking connections. While many people may not think of LinkedIn as the powerhouse that it is, more than 30 million companies use LinkedIn for business. That's right. Your competitors are using LinkedIn to build their brand authority and to make network connections as you sit and watch this video. They're connecting and reaching out to more than 675 million monthly users right now on LinkedIn. So, what exactly is LinkedIn and how can you leverage its power? Well, LinkedIn is a social network that focuses primarily on professional networking and career development. LinkedIn can be utilized to showcase your resume, to search for jobs, to post updates, and interact with other like-minded people. LinkedIn is similar in some ways to social networking sites such as Facebook. And that's because you are able to connect with friends and colleagues, post updates and statuses, share and like content, and you can message other users. But as a business owner, the real power behind LinkedIn is that it allows you to foster and nurture important business relationships. And it allows you to attract leads and even funnel people to your website. So let's get back to forming brand authority. Brand authority really refers to trust that your company has earned from its customers and from the relationships that are formed in serving your clients really well. Brand authority also centers around just how much your audience sees you and your brand as a subject matter expert. So one way that you can build this kind of brand authority on LinkedIn is by creating compelling content that really connects to where they are in their journey. LinkedIn allows you to post videos, which we highly recommend. Reach out to us for a complete list of some powerful ways to use video on LinkedIn. But you can also post articles, pictures, and status updates. Just make sure that you write posts that are informative and relevant, and then audiences will value and trust your content. You'll start looking like an expert in your field, which of course you really are. It's normal to have a blog on your company's website, but LinkedIn actually prefers if you create content that isn't linked to an external source. So that means they want you to post that article or video on their platform instead of a link to the video or article on another website. You'll probably find that you're going to get even more engagement for your articles on LinkedIn because you're speaking to the right people at the right time. In addition to that, you can use LinkedIn to post testimonial stories or videos, which will further give your brand authority because it shows social proof. Remember, you can use LinkedIn both as a personal account and as a business account. So you can have a personal profile with a picture of you and your resume and your job title. And you can also have a company page with more details about your business. You should definitely use both to maximize your reach. When it comes to forming network connections, which is the real powerhouse opportunity with LinkedIn, you have the option of sending a personalized connection request to people who you would like to connect with. Now, it's really worth the time investment to choose your connections wisely, building the perfect target audience and the perfect network of power partners. Follow people in your niche or industry as well to put your name out there and form mutually beneficial partnerships. Following other experts and having them in your network exposes you to their content, which you can use as a reference point to improve your own. There are even LinkedIn groups you can join and connect with other like-minded professionals. The networking possibilities on LinkedIn are endless. Building brand authority and networking are key aspects of marketing your business and up-leveling your conversion rate. LinkedIn is a great resource to use for those goals. After all, LinkedIn is the largest professional networking site out there. So don't miss out on your chance to build your brand authority and to network with your colleagues and your ideal future clients. If you need help creating your LinkedIn page and optimizing it with some powerful video content to achieve your business goals, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Schedule a consultation call today. We'd love to give you some personalized strategies to help you and your business thrive.